All right, right off the plane, we are ready to roll. Mike, Blake, and myself. It's actually a pretty calm night. It's about 25 degrees. We're gonna go make some stands starting now. Not sure what time we'll be done, but we're gonna have fun.
Went down to that river, wash my sins away.
Good enough.
Pray, 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 pray for another day. I went down
Woof.
to that river, wash my sins away. The devil's on the other bank, staring back at me. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man.
You on him? Go ahead.
Another nail in my coffin, another nail for me. I gotta look pretty when I go down. Another nail in my coffin, can't you spare one more? I gotta look pretty when I'm knocking down heaven's door. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man. My cigarette. You ever seen a dead man talking? No, you haven't seen one yet. I'm a dead man walking. 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 I'm a dead man.
Woof, 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 woof. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I went down to that river, washed my sins for free. No one seemed to notice.
Hey guys, welcome back. Just got back from North Dakota. It wasn't the greatest hunting trip. It was a great trip. Got to spend time with my buddies Mike and Blake. Hunting wasn't so good. We got caught in a blizzard. We hunted the first night, as you can see in the video. We got 6 coyotes down. We tried to call the next morning. Winds really picked up. They were blowing 35, 40 miles an hour. They got a foot of snow, and just the roads were terrible. So wasn't the best hunting trip, but we had a great time still. We always do. So I appreciate everybody watching, and look forward to the next one.